Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going through some blue and green themed jewellery. There will be some other colours in there probably that have slipped in there because I have been through these already and I did group some up. Anyway, let's get on with it. So we'll just go piece by piece and have a look at each piece. Like I say, there's nothing special, but it's just fun to go through. And if we can rehome some of it, even better, because we always want to rehome jewellery no matter what, you know, what kind of jewellery it is. This is a statement piece. It looks like it's, yeah, it's got some beads in between. This is a nice statement piece. Like I say, these sorts of pieces are good for styling. If you've got an outfit that you want to add a statement necklace to and colour coordinate, these sorts of necklaces are perfect. So that's the type of thing I'll sell on my Vinted, and people that are looking for like statement necklaces and things and styling things, they usually buy them from Vinted. So they're perfect to be listed on there. This one's quite nice. It's very lightweight. It's got some nice seed beads in between these beads. This is quite nice. It's a longer necklace which you'd probably double up, which would be quite nice for an outfit, and it's a nice colour as well. So yeah, I'll sell these on Vinted separately. And then we've got this one, but it looks like it's got some wire. Yeah, so this one's a bit, this is going to be harvested for beads because it's broken, but it's got some nice, as you can see, it's got some nice light seed beads on there. These plastic could be, it's got some plastic beads on there which I could use to like upcycle another necklace that needs beads. Anyway, this is going to be harvest for all the bits and bobs that are on here. So it's a nice necklace to harvest. Then we've got another, this is quite a nice statement piece as well. I do like the colours on here, the purples. I decided during 2026 that my colour for the year, I don't usually have a colour for the year, but I was tired of like just picking the same colour all the time, and I do like purple, so purple is my 2026 colour. So if it's like, oh, you have to choose a colour of something and there's purple, that's the colour I'm going to pick. So anyway, this is a nice little statement piece as well. It's got a nice little joiner, it's got a nice little join here. Don't know what you call these bits, but yeah, so this will go on my Vinted. This is quite a nice little piece to sell separately as a statement piece. I mean, I'm not really into beaded jewellery myself, but there are people out there that like to, you know, put them with their outfits and things. It just, like, for me, it just doesn't suit me, you know. I might like the piece. This is just a stretch bracelet. Again, I can group that up. It might just go in that, this will probably just go in like a job lot, to be fair. But it's quite a nice little stretch bracelet. And then we've got another bracelet, stretch bracelet. Obviously, in these types of job lot, yeah, these types of job lots, you're going to get a lot of stretch bracelets. But yeah, this one, it's a little loose. I mean, you can get away with it. Let me just try it on. Yeah, I mean, it's a bit big for my wrist personally. I have got small hands and wrists. But yeah, it's quite nice. It's just a bit too big for my wrist, but it's quite nice. I'll just sell it for cheap on Vinted, to be honest with you. Then we've got a nice little bangle here. This is an acrylic bangle, and it's got quite some nice marbling here. So yeah, that could be sold on Vinted, I think. And then we've got some other, I'll just get these are the same. So these can either just be sold together. They've still got their stretch, so they can just be put up as a pair, to be honest, for cheap. This one, another stretch one. It's losing its stretch a bit, so I think this will either go in a craft lot or I'll just harvest the beads for my set, like to make something else. Another stretch one. Again, the stretch is okay. I could just group some of these up and just sell them as a bundle, I suppose. And then we've got quite a long necklace, but this would need to be this is just on some string. So I could shorten this. It's leave going craft lot, but if I can find the time or I can really be bothered with it, I think this would make a more shorter kind of choker style, just long, slightly longer than a choker, you know, so it sits on the collarbone. Shorten that up, put it on some proper thing, and put a clasp and things on it. I think that'd be a quite nice statement piece because these are quite nice beads. I think it's just slightly too long, and obviously it is, where is it? The join on it's just been tied. It's tatty, but I think this could be upcycled into a nice statement necklace. So I'll probably give that a go. That's a little project. Then we've got some plastic beads. I don't like this really. And look, I don't like the way it's joined either. So this will just go in craft. I just don't like it. So I'm not even gonna resell it to somebody. I'm going to spend it a craft lot and then let whoever buys the craft lot find something to do with it. And this unfortunately isn't gemstone. This is just plastic. This will just go in a craft lot as well. It'd be nice if these were gemstones. I do like a gemstone. Obviously I've got like this, but it's not. I would have kept it. I would have kept it otherwise. Let me pop that here. Then we've got this one. I think these are acrylic. Yeah, these are acrylic. I mean, again, this is in quite good condition, so we could probably put that as a statement piece as well. So yeah, we've got a lot of stock for Vinted. I can tell you that now. Let's where shall I put that? We'll just tuck it in here. Put it along here, and then this one. I'm not sure. It feels like stones. I'm not sure what material that'd be, but it does feel like stone. Don't know what that is made out. It's not even. It has got some weight to it. Has it got a seam? I don't know what material this is, but it's on it's on like some. It's just like a department store kind of thing. I'll try and sell that on my Vinted. If it doesn't sell, it'll just go in a craft lot, to be honest with you. I mean, it's quite nice, I suppose. I don't know about that. This is just a stretch thing as well. The beads look quite worn. I could probably harvest these beads or just put this in a craft lot. It's probably just go in a craft lot, to be fair. And the last but not least, this one is quite unusual. I can't decide if I actually like it or not. It looks, this is quite nice. It's got some really nice beads, but it's very heavy. Like, I don't know who the hell, is that a bit of hair on there? Ew. I mean, obviously somebody's actually been wearing this, but it's very heavy and it's very long. I don't have the field of view to like open it out, but I think I'm just gonna harvest all of these beads and make other things out of it because the beads are pretty nice. I think they're clay beads. I think these are clay beads. They feel like they're clay beads, to be honest with you. These are very nice clay beads. I feel like that we could make some nice things. I mean, I'm definitely going to harvest and keep the beads from this. I mean, it's got a nice little clasp, but I don't like this whole string bit here. So I'll harvest the clasp off there and the beads, and it's obviously on string because it's so heavy. It just wouldn't hold up on, look, that thick string in there. But the beads are pretty, but it's heavy. So yeah, let's see what I can do out of that, but I'm going to keep the beads from it, to be honest with you. I'm going to keep the beads. So let's just kind of, oh, there's a bracelet to go with it. That was tucked in there, but there's a bracelet to go with it already. The bracelet is pretty heavy as well. So yeah, I'm not really sure because the beads are so heavy. I mean, like I said, I could make bracelets, but I don't like this bit on there. Is this a clasp? Is this a clasp or it's just a bead? I think it's just a bead. Yeah, it's just a bead. I don't like this bead on here. It doesn't really go. But even just a bracelet, let me just try it on. I don't know. But I'm just going to harvest the beads. And maybe I could just harvest all the beads and sell the beads in like as a bag for craft. But the beads are pretty nice. I just don't like them on here. So that brings us to a close on that jewellery lot. So let's just do a little overview right there. So yeah, that brings us to a close. Thank you for watching this video. Please give the video a like. I'd really appreciate it. And to subscribe, it's free to subscribe to my channel so that you can see further jewellery hauls, because we've got a few more coming up. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.